Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. There's two different ways you can do it. The first way you'll access through your settings. You'll scroll down to the section labeled Wallpaper, and here you'll choose New Wallpaper, and you can choose from the options in your camera roll, or you can choose these different options here. Still, there's some stock images on the phone already, very nice. And then dynamic, these are kind of motion moving images here. The other way is to actually go to your gallery photos folder, and any of the photos you've taken with your phone, you can then choose to have them set as your wallpaper. So you'll click this square box with the arrow, and down below you'll have these additional options here. So you can select use as wallpaper, and then it'll give you the option to scroll around and kind of move the image to your liking, and then you can hit set, and that'll change the wallpaper on your phone. That is simple as can be. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and select the bell notification so YouTube will notify you of more releases. And leave a like and a comment. I want to know what you want me to cover next. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.